Welcome! In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you how to use Agantty step by step. We'll cover creating projects, organizing tasks, managing timelines with Gantt charts, and collaborating with your team so you can manage your work more efficiently. Number 1. What is Agantty? Agantty is a free project management software that allows you to plan, organize, and track tasks in Gantt chart-based interface. Unlike more complex tools like Jira or Monday.com, Agantty focuses on simplicity. It is ideal for freelancers, startups, and teams that need a streamlined, visual way to manage workloads without spending hours configuring the tool. Number 2. Getting started, signing up, and logging in. Step 1. Sign up. Visit www.agantty.com. Click on Register for free. Fill in your name, email, and password. Confirm your email address via the link sent to your inbox. Step 2. Login. Go to the homepage and click Login. Enter your credentials and access your dashboard. You are now ready to start creating projects. Number 3. Navigating the dashboard. After logging in, you will land on the dashboard, which is clean and minimal. Here's what you will see. Sidebar. Access your projects, task, calendar, team, and settings. Top bar. Create new tasks or projects. Main area. Gantt chart display of your tasks and projects. Tip. Use the sidebar to toggle between views like the Gantt chart, calendar view, or task list. Number 4. Creating your project. Step 1. Create a new project. Click the plus button on the top bar and select New Project. Enter project name, start and end dates, color label, or visual organization. Assign to a team member or keep it personal. Step 2. Organize projects. Use color coding to differentiate between projects. Use drag and drop to rearrange them on your dashboard. Each project now acts as a container for related tasks. Time to fill it. Number 5. Adding and managing tasks. Step 1. Add tasks to a project. Click into your project from the Gantt chart or dashboard. In the project view, click New Task. Add task title, start and end page, assigned member, description optional, milestone checkbox if the task marks a major step. Step 2. Adjust task. Drag and resize tasks directly on the Gantt chart. Right-click a task to edit, duplicate, or delete. Tip. You can also filter tasks by user, date, or project for better visibility. Number 6. Using the Gantt chart. Agantty's Gantt chart is central to its usability. Here's how to master it. Timeline navigation. Use your mouse scroll to zoom in or out. Drag the timeline left or right to view different time ranges. Visual clarity. Tasks are represented as bars. Longer bars, longer tasks. Longer bars is equal to longer tasks. Overlapping tasks help you spot scheduling conflicts. Dependencies. As of 2025, Agantty doesn't support native task dependencies, like start to finish, but you can simulate them by carefully aligning task timelines. Number 7. Managing teams and collaboration. Agantty allows you to add team members and assign them specific tasks. Step 1. Add team members. Go to the Team tab in the sidebar. Click Invite Member and enter their email. Assign them to projects upon joining. Step 2. Permissions. Project owners can control who sees what, who can edit or view tasks, who can manage time tracking and project structure. This is great for agencies or larger teams who need role-based control. Number 8. Task overview and time management. Agantty isn't just about visual planning. You can track progress with overviews and task-specific information. Task overview. Navigate to the Task tab in the sidebar. Filter by due date, assigned user, project, completion status. Time management. While Agantty doesn't include native time tracking, as of early 2025, it allows you to assign durations and visually manage work distribution. Pro tip: use third-party tools like Toggle or Clockify and integrate them via browser extensions for time tracking alongside Agantty. Number 9. Calendar view. The calendar view gives you a simple month, week, day, look at your task. Click on Calendar from the sidebar. Use it to get a bird's-eye view of deadlines and task overlaps. Drag and drop tasks here too for rescheduling. Perfect for users who prefer calendar-style planning over Gantt charts. Number 10. Notifications and reminders. Agantty sends email notifications for task assignments, deadlines approaching, team invitations. While in-app reminders are limited, you can sync Agantty with your Google Calendar via manual report. Set manual reminders using external tools like Trello, Notion, or Slack. Number 11. Export and print. Need to present your timeline to a client or team? Click on Export PDF from the Gantt chart toolbar. Choose date, range, and project. Download a printable project roadmap. Perfect for client meetings, project briefs, or internal reviews. Number 12. Keyboard shortcuts and power tips. Control or Command plus click select multiple tasks. Double-click a taskbar. Quick edit. Color codes. Use them consistently for faster recognition. Example, red for urgent. Bonus tip, create a template project with sample tasks you can duplicate whenever you start a similar workflow. Number 13. Agantty Mobile version 2025. As of 2025, Agantty's mobile responsiveness has improved, but there is still no native app. You can use it via browser on tablets or smartphones, create home screen shortcuts, or quicker access. But limit heavy editing to desktop for the best experience. Number 14. Limitations to be aware of. While Agantty is powerful and free, it is not perfect. Limitation: no real-time chat, no native time tracking, no task dependencies, no mobile app, no integrations or API. Workaround: use Slack, Discord, or MS Teams. Integrate with Toggle or Cloudify. Use visual alignment and naming conventions. Use browser version. Consider switching if you need automation. Number 15. Best use cases for Agantty. In these scenarios, marketing agencies managing campaigns, freelancers handling multiple clients, event planners building visual timelines, teachers or schools organizing semester-long projects, design teams mapping out sprints. If you need lightweight, visual project planning without complex workflows, Agantty hits the sweet spot. Number 16. Final thoughts. Is Agantty right for you? If you are tired of loaded tools and just want something fast, clean and free, Agantty is an excellent solution. It works especially well for people who prefer visual planning, don't need deep integrations, want to get started quickly with no learning curve, need a free alternative to premium tools. Quick recap per beginner workflow. Number 1. Sign up at agantty.com. 2. Create a project with a timeline and team members. 3. Add tasks. Assign deadlines and responsibilities. 4. Use Gantt view to drag, drop, and adjust. Number 5. Check calendar view for scheduling clarity. 6. Invite your team and collaborate. 7. Export reports and track progress visually. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use Agantty to manage projects and tasks more effectively. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical productivity, project management, and software tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.